Hi, to install apps from unknown sources on your POCO X7, we just need to open settings on the phone. Here, find this section Privacy Protection, and after that, scroll down and choose Special Permissions. And now from this list of options, simply select Install Unknown Apps. And after that, you will see this list of apps from which you can allow to install something. For example, we can choose Google Chrome and tap to allow installation from this source. Just tap on this switcher, and as you can see, this is a highly sensitive permission. If you grant it, your private information might be leaked and your property might be at risk. So if you are willing to try this out, tap I'm aware of possible risks and then tap OK, and now you can install something from your Google Chrome. You can do it with any app in this list, for example Facebook, and each time you'll get this pop-up warning that it is really risky process. So if you wanna choose to don't allow, you can go back in your Google Chrome and tap on the switcher, and now you won't be able to install something from Chrome. So yeah, that's it, how it works. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.